Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem delete leaves with a given value. We're given a binary tree and we want to remove all leaves that have a value that we're given at the beginning, called target. And if we remove leaves, then maybe some other nodes that weren't leaves at the beginning now become leaves, and if they have that target value, we also have to remove them. So essentially you have to remove leaves and then remove leaves and then remove leaves until it's not possible anymore. Now this is a simple specification, we just have to implement it, so we'll do it just by simple recursion. First of all, if our current root is a null pointer, then of course we just return it. Otherwise, we first recurse on the left and right subtree. So we just run ourselves the same function on left and right subtree. And now it's possible that either before that or after that, both the left and right subtrees were none. Right? So after removing all the leaves with given value in those subtrees, there is nothing remaining. And now if our value is also target, then we also have to remove ourselves. So we return none. Otherwise, we return ourselves, with our, of course, left and right subtrees being the subtrees after calling remove leaf nodes. And that's all we have to do in this problem.